Hello everyone. So today I am going to start the last part of the NCERT exercise of an electrochemistry. Here you can see here I have written the problem numerical, and the numerical says how much electricity, yes or no, how much electricity in terms of Faraday. So you have to calculate the electricity in terms of Faraday to produce 20 gram calcium from molten CaCl2 and 40 gram aluminium from molten Al2O3. This problem is very easy, and this problem is based on the Faraday's laws. Okay, so we'll start here now. See, first they ask you to calculate the electricity. Okay, from which compound? From CaCl2. So first you crack CaCl2. If I crack this CaCl2, I'll get Ca plus 2 and Cl minus. Now you know we want calcium, so this ion will help me. So what I will do Ca plus 2 plus 2 electron gives what? Ca, reduction reaction, because you know this calcium is a metal and metal will always undergo reduction, and reduction is occurring at what? Cathode. So this is a reduction reaction. Okay, so Ca plus 2 electron will give what? Ca. Now here 2 electron means how much? 2 Faraday will give how many mole? 1 mole. Yes or no? 2 Faraday means how many mole? So on applying 2 Faraday I am getting 1 mole. And they ask you to calculate me electricity, means I have to calculate this. Okay, so I should require what here? Number of moles. So you know number of moles of calcium equal to weight of calcium by molecular weight of calcium. Yes or no? What is the weight of calcium given in the question? 20 by molecular weight of calcium 40. You know this. Okay, so 1 by 2 moles. Clear? Certain molecular weight you should remember. Okay, every simple molecular weight they will not give in the question. So what is the molecular weight of calcium? That is 40. So 1 by 2 mole. Now 2 Faraday means 1 mole. How many mole actually are there in the question? 1 by 2 mole. So number of Faradays is equal to how much? 1 by 2 into 2. So answer will be 1 Faraday. And they ask you to calculate electricity in terms of Faraday. So in this way you have to calculate. Clear? I'll go for the next question. Question number 2. The compound here is given is Al2O3. So first split it. Al2O3. So here Al plus 3 and here O minus 2. And they ask you to calculate aluminium, because they have given what in the question? Aluminium, right? So you take this aluminium. So Al plus 3 electron will give aluminium. This is nothing but about reduction reaction. Now here see, 3 electron gives how many mole of aluminium? 1 mole, means 3 moles of electron means 3 Faraday equal to 1 mole. Clear? Now what I will do? I will calculate the mole of aluminium. So weight upon molecular weight. What is the molecular weight of aluminium? 27. Molecular weight of aluminium is what? 27. Yes or no? So this much mole. Need not to calculate here. Just put the values 40 by 27 here. Why? Because see this 3 and 3 can be cut with this 27, because the 27 is a multiple of a 3. That's why. Okay. So 40 by 27 mole equal to how much Faraday? Therefore Faraday equal to 3 into 40 by 27. 3 ones are 3 nines are. So 40 by 9. If you calculate 40 by 9, so 9 5s are, no, 9 4s are 36. Again here 4.00, 9 4s are 36, 4. So 4.444 Faraday. Yes or no? I know this, you can do the division, simple division. Okay. So the value of Faraday will be nearly 4.44 Faraday. So final answer, that how much electricity in terms of Faraday is required to produce for calcium chloride, what is the answer? 1 Faraday. And for a molten aluminium, what is the answer? 4.44 Faraday. The second question, and the second question says how much electricity is required in Coulomb. See, now this question they are asking the electricity in terms of Coulomb. In the previous question they ask you to calculate in terms of Faradays. Now they ask you to calculate in terms of Coulomb for the oxidation of 1 mole of H2O to O2 and FeO to Fe2O3. Means we have to do here oxidation reaction. So see, check it out here. So first compound they have given H2O2 to O2, and we have to calculate for the oxidation. So you know that H2O, when it undergo oxidation, it will liberate O2, and I ask you to remember this reaction. Remember the reaction of H2O in terms of oxidation, in terms of reduction. In terms of oxidation, they were used to liberate the oxygen at anode, and there was liberation of H plus and loss of electron. I hope you remember this because I have done everything in my previous sections. So here, see now, so H2O will produce O2 in their oxidation because they ask you to write down the oxidation reaction, right? So this reaction is occurring at anode. So and anode what occurs? Oxidation. So H2O will liberate O2, will liberate H plus, and due to oxidation, in oxidation there will be loss of electron. So here electron is lost. Now you have to balance. Now see here, how many oxygen I have? I have 2 oxygen. So here I will put 2. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. So here 4. Okay. Now here net charge is 0. So here also net charge should be 0. So I will put here 4. Clear? So they have asked you to calculate from H2O. Okay. So they asked for 1 mole of H2O. Now see the relation between these two. I have developed relation between water and the electrons. What is the relation? That when I supply 2 mole of H2O, when I supply 2 mole of H2O, I will get 4 Faraday. When I supply 2 moles of H2O, I will get 4 Faraday. In the question, how much moles they are asking you to supply? 1 mole. So on supplying 1 mole, how much Faraday I will get? So therefore number of Faraday number of Faraday will be equal to 1 into 4 divided by 2. Yes or no? See here, there is no relation. They just ask you to convert H2O into O2. I have converted. But they ask you to, but they ask the question for the coulomb, that is for the electron, that is for the Faraday, and they have given 1 mole of H2O. Means these things I have given in the question. So the relation should be developed between this water and this Faraday, not between oxygen and Faraday. Clear? Because the value of water is given, not for the oxygen. So I am developing the relation between H2O and Faraday. So when 2 moles, I got this 2 mole by balancing the reaction. When I balance the reaction, I get 2 mole of H2O will produce how many Faraday? 4 Faraday. But in the question, how many mole they have given? They have given 1 mole. So 1 mole, how many Faraday? So 1 into 4 by 2. So answer I will get is 2 Faraday. But they asked the question in terms of coulomb, and you know 1 Faraday equal to 96500 coulomb. So 2 Faraday means how much? So 2 Faraday means 2 into 96500 coulomb. So I will get the answer 2 0 0 0 10 13 19 this much coulomb. Clear this part? So this will be your answer. Second compound they have given is FeO2 Fe2O3. Now see, check it out here. FeO means here the oxidation number of Fe will be plus 2. Here the oxidation number of Fe will be Cl 3. So plus 3. I hope you know this. So plus 2 to plus 3, this reaction is an oxidation. So need not to worry about it. So what I will do? I will write in the ionic form. So Fe plus 2 will gives what? Fe plus 3. As it is oxidation, due to increase of oxidation number, so there will be loss of electron. There will be loss of electron. Now they have given 1 mole of FeO, means this portion is given. So I have to compare this and this. So now see, this reaction, everything has been balanced. So if I say when 1 mole will produce 1 Faraday, and how many question in the question they have given? In the question also they have given 1 only. So 1 mole how much? Again. So answer will be number of Faraday will be equal to 1 into 1 by 1. So answer will be 1. And 1 Faraday means how many coulomb? So 96500 coulomb. So this will be your answer. This is your third question. See, a solution of nickel nitrate. So this is nickel nitrate is electrolyzed between platinum electrode using a current of 5 ampere for 20 minutes. What mass of nickel means you have to calculate the mass of nickel deposited at cathode. This type of question also we have solved in my previous video using the Faraday's first law. You can see numerical based on the Faraday's laws. But here, as you know, it is giving in the exercise, so I am solving it. I suggest you pause a video, first write down the question, then pause a video, and then you solve of yourself and then check it out with the answer so that you can verify the answer with me. Clear? So pause a video and write down the question and solve yourself. Clear? Chalo. Okay, so I hope you have solved the question. Now verify the answer with what I am solving it. See here now. A solution of nickel nitrate. So the compound given here is nickel nitrate. If you split it, you will get Ni plus 2, NO3 minus. Easy? Is electrolyzed between the platinum electrode. Now platinum electrode means these are the inert electrode, means it will not involve in the reaction. So need not to worry about this electrode. Using a current of 5 ampere, current is given how much? 5 ampere for 20 minutes. So time is 20 minutes and we know we are always calculating time in seconds. So 20 into 60 seconds. So your answer will be 1200 seconds. What mass of nickel? So what mass of nickel is deposited at cathode, and nickel they have given it. Now here Ni is in the form of Ni plus 2. And this Ni plus 2 will go towards the cathode, and at cathode reduction will occur. At cathode what will occur? Reduction will occur. So I will take this Ni plus 2 plus 2 electron, I will get what? Ni. Yes or no? Solid. If I go with the stoichiometry relation, I calculated that when passing 2 Faraday, I got 1 mole of nickel. On passing how many Faraday? 2 Faraday. Why 2 Faraday? Because 2 moles of electron means 2 Faraday. So on passing 2 Faraday, I got 1 mole of nickel. They ask you to the question, that is what mass of nickel. Mass will be given by whom? Moles, because we know mole equal to weight upon molecular weight. So I have to put here question mark. Now in the question, what does the question suggest us? The question suggests us to calculate the Faraday. And you know the formula for Faraday. Faraday means what? IT by 96500. Remember? We have solved this type of problem in the previous class also. Q equal to IT and 1 Faraday equal to 96500 kilo. So directly we are calculating the Faraday, that is IT by 96500. Now current is how much? 5. Time how much they have given? 20, and you should know time should be taken in seconds. So 1200 by 96500. See, I am using calculator. Please you don't use calculator, because in your exam it is not allowed. So 1200 multiply by 5 divided by 96500. So you get the answer as 0.062176 Faraday. This much Faraday you got. So now come here. Now 2 Faraday, I'll get 1 mole. How many Faraday I am passing? 0.062176 Faraday. So how much mole? So mole of nickel will be 0.062176 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. So how much answer will get? You will get 0.03108 moles. Now student, they ask you to calculate mass of nickel, and mass should be measured in gram. So how to convert this mole into the gram? Weight of nickel by molecular weight. Yes or no? And molecular weight or atomic weight is given. That is how much weight we have to calculate. Weight of nickel, molecular weight, atomic weight given is 58.7 equal to 0.03108. Therefore, weight of nickel, and when you multiply these two value, you get the answer as 1.825 gram. So this is your exact answer of weight of nickel. Please copy out. This is your last question of the day. Here, and I hope here NCERT exercise is getting over, finish. Okay. In NCERT exercise you can see certain question answers also, which I am not solving here. Just I am solving the numerical exercise. Okay. If 1-2 questions it is left, so I will solve when you come to the school or in the future classes. Okay. So see this question. This question is bit important for your board point of view, and also for your competition might be. Understand the question. 3 electrolytic cells. So we have 3 electrolytic cells. Cell number 1, cell number 2 and cell number 3. Here they have given the name also. This is they have given A, this is they have given B, this is they have given C. Containing the solution of ZnSO4. Here I have ZnSO4, here I have AgNO3, and here I have CuSO4 are connected in series. So here there will be zinc electrode, here there will be Ag electrode, and here there will be copper electrode, and these all are connected in series. So this will be zinc electrode, this will be Ag electrode, and this will be copper electrode and they are connected in series. Okay. Steady current of 1.5 ampere is supplied. So from here I is equal to 1.5 ampere is supplied until 1.45 gram of silver was deposited at cell B. So weight of silver they have given how much, or weight of Ag they have given how much, they have given is 1.45 gram, that is 1.45 gram. So they are told in the cell B, how long did the current flow? Means you have to calculate time first, and you have to calculate mass of copper and mass of zinc deposited. So I have to calculate mass of copper and mass of zinc. See here, see guys, this question resemble to Faraday's second law. Remember the Faraday's second law. If two or more electrolytic cells are connected in series, and when same amount of electric current is passed through it, the mass of the metal deposited at each electrode is directly proportional to their equivalent weight. Is directly proportional to their equivalent weight. So this question it directly resembles to Faraday's second law. It's very easy problem, and in other book if you see, of other videos if you see, they have solved this problem in a very tricky method, but we will solve in within a one step. I told you the law, that law was what? Faraday's second law, and the Faraday's second law says what? When two or more electrolytic cells are connected in series. See here, so I have here 3 cells, it is connected in series, and same current is passing through each electrolytic cell. So the mass of the metal deposit, so here see zinc will deposit, here Ag will deposit, here copper will deposit. The mass of the metal deposit at each electrolyte is directly proportional to their equivalent weight. So what? See here, if mass of zinc is directly proportional to their equivalent weight of zinc, yes or no? This itself the Faraday's law says, no? That mass of the metal, here metal is zinc, is deposited is directly proportional to their equivalent weight. So mass of zinc will be directly proportional to their equivalent weight. Now if I remove the proportional limit, I have to put what? One constant. So mass of zinc will be equal to K1 equivalent weight of zinc. So what I will get? Mass of zinc by equivalent weight of zinc, which is equal to K1. Similarly, here mass of Ag will be directly proportional to equivalent weight of Ag. Removing the proportional limit, Ag will be equal to K1 only. Sir, why K1? Why the constant remains same? Because same current is passing. So same constant. If I say here K1, I will say here also K1, I will say there also K1. If here K means K means K. So here also K1 into equivalent weight of Ag. And if you are still getting confused, you can see the video based on the Faraday's laws. So mass of silver by equivalent weight of silver equal to what? K1. Again mass of copper is directly proportional to equivalent weight of copper. So mass of copper equal to K1 equivalent weight of copper. Therefore mass of copper by equivalent weight of copper equal to what? K1. Now K1 is also equal to this, K1 is also equal to this, and K1 is also equal to this. So from 1, 2 and 3, what can I say? I can say that mass of zinc by equivalent of zinc equal to mass of silver by equivalent weight of silver equal to mass of copper by equivalent weight of copper. Yes or no? First write down this. Written? Make a pause the video and write down. Okay. Now see here. So what I can write down the further? So I will write down mass of zinc by equivalent weight of zinc, mass of Ag by equivalent weight of Ag, by mass of copper by equivalent weight of copper. Clear? Now in the question, weight of Ag they have given how much? 1.45. So what I will do? 1.45 by equivalent weight of Ag. What is the equivalent weight of Ag? Molecular weight by number of electron transfer. Now what is the equivalent weight? See here, equivalent weight of Ag is equal to molecular mass by number of electron transfer. And you know Ag will transfer how many electron? 1, because Ag plus electron gives Ag. So what is the molecular mass of Ag? 108. I ask you to remember ambulance. Yes or no? What is the number of ambulance? 108. So mass of silver is 108. So 108 by 1. So equivalent weight of Ag means what? 108 by 1. So what I will do here? Equivalent weight of Ag is 108 by 1. Now here I have to calculate mass of zinc. So I have to calculate mass of zinc. But equivalent weight of zinc also I can calculate. What is the equivalent weight of zinc? Molecular mass of zinc. And what is the molecular mass of zinc they have given? 65.4 by number of electron transfer. And zinc will transfer how many electron? Zn will form Zn plus 2. So here 2 will come. Yes or no? Similarly, mass of copper. So mass of copper. By what can be the formula for equivalent weight of copper? Molecular mass of copper. How much they have given? 63.5 by number of electron transfer. So Cu also will transfer how many electrons? Cu will form Cu plus 2 electrons. So here also 2 will come. Now what I will do? Once I will equate these two. When I equate these two, I will get mass of zinc. And then I will equate these two, I will get mass of copper. Simple question. Clear? In some other videos or some other textbook in digest, they have done lot of complicated things. I can calculate directly by using Faraday's second law, and answer also remains same. Minor difference may be there for the answer, that is for the point, and in point difference nothing makes any difference, okay, in the exam, so don't worry about it. So see, first I will equate these two. So what I will do? I will take mass of zinc by 65.4 by 2. So I will use the calculator. So now see here, 65.4 by 2. So 65.4 by 2, I get the answer as 32.7 equal to 1.45 by 108 by 1 means 108. So mass of zinc I get is, I will first multiply this with 1.45, then I will divide by 108. So I get answer as 0.44 gram of zinc will get deposit here. Clear? Similarly, now I will equate these two. Okay, I will equate these two. So what I get here? Please check it out. I will take again mass of silver is, that is 1.45 by 108 equal to mass of copper which I required by 63.5 by 2. So 63.5 by 2, 31.75. Now I need what? Mass of copper only. So what I will do? I will multiply these two and I will divide by 108. So I get the answer as 1.45 multiply by 31.75 divided by 108. So I get the answer as 0.43 gram. Please, you don't use calculator, okay? Try to solve of manual calculating only. So this will be your net answer. Your mass of zinc deposited will be 0.44 gram and mass of copper will deposit nearly 0.43 gram. Directly you can solve by using the Faraday's second law. Clear? Now, one more question they are given to calculate the time. First you copy out this, then we will calculate the time. Please take it out. Done? Okay. Now see here. So I hope you written this answer, okay? Now we will calculate this time. So how to calculate this time? See here. I will use this Ag to calculate this time. We know that Ag plus electron will gives Ag, yes or no? So when passing on 1 Faraday, I get 1 mole of Ag. Or I can say 1 mole of Ag. So what I will do, I will calculate your moles of Ag. So moles of Ag means weight is 1.45 by molecular weight of Ag is ambulance, that is 108. So 1.45 by 108, I get the answer as 0.01342. Clear? I got the moles of Ag. Now how many moles of Ag I have? 0.01342. So Faraday how much? So I'll get the Faraday as 0.01342 multiplied by 1 divided by 1. So answer remains, that's it. I need now time. You know the formula for Faraday. What is the formula for Faraday? IT by 96500. So Faraday means IT by 96500 equal to 0.01342. Clear? Current is given. How much current is given? 1.5 ampere. So 1.5. Time we required by constant is what? 96500 equal to 0.01342. So time I will get is multiply by 96500 divided by 1.5. I get the answer as 863.734, and in your book nearly value they have given, that is 864 seconds, because time will come in seconds. Clear this part? So please copy out. Most of the question of electrochemistry have been done. NCERT exercise is also over. If you have any doubt, you can directly put a query in my software, or you can you can comment me in my section box. Need not to worry about any doubt. You can ask me anytime. Okay, within 5 to 6 hours I will reply the answer. Please you practice this question so that you can practice the toughest question which are given on the some competition book. From the in board the question will come like this only, but in the competition question might come bit tougher. If you practice the basic question, you can attempt any question which is based on this type of topic. Just you have to see, you have to read the question twice, thrice. You have to see which type of question is given, on what base, which principle should be applied, and you should be very good with that formula, with that principle, so you can calculate easily answer. Okay, and please try to solve without calculator as much as possible. I know you guys are solving with, at present also you are solving with calculator. It will affect your studies, it will affect your result. Try to solve without calculator as much as possible, because in the competition exam or in the board exam, calculator is not allowed. So try to solve without calculators. Okay guys, and if you have any doubt, if you are not understanding any topic, please let me know as soon as possible. Once more, I will do some certain problem when I come in the future classes, and from the next video onwards, I will start probably the general principle, the next lecture. Clear this part? So this is your electrochemistry has been over here. Thank you.